Hey everyone, Henry here. Welcome to another video. And today we're going to be talking about color grading, and we're going to be using a dual color palette. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and then we'll hop into Premiere and we'll get started. Alright, so here we are in Premiere. So we got this image here from this abandoned house that me and one of my buddies went out to shoot at. So we're going to use this as an example just because there is some significant contrast between the blacks and the whites. So first thing that we're going to do is we are going to add in levels. So we'll drop that in there. So we're going to boost the input up. And then for the white input, we are going to drop that down. There we go. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to add in a blur. So we're going to bump that out quite a bit. Okay. So this is what it looks like right now. And then we're going to go to the opacity and blend mode, and we're going to change it to soft light. Okay, and then now we're going to go into tint. Alright, so this is where the dual palette comes into play. So there's two different colors that we can pick from. There's the blacks and there's the whites. So the blacks we'll use, let's do, so we're going to do a blue color for the shadows. So I think that's pretty good. And then now we're going to go to the whites. And we're going to go for sort of an orange color. Just kind of go for like try to go for the orange and teal look. Or I guess we just kind of go for like a yellow. See how this looks. Okay, and then let's drop our opacity. And there you go. That doesn't look too bad. Alright guys, that's it for me. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and then I'll see you guys at the next video.